Hello and welcome back. This is Charles. Today we're going to be learning how we can easily remove a picture background in Affinity Photos. So without much further ado, let's get started. So we're going to be using pen tool today to remove a picture background. It's very easy and simple. It won't take your time. Within 5 minutes you're done. Just that you have to be careful and take a normal procedures to remove this background using the pen tool. So the first thing you're going to do is to hit P on your keyboard to take you to the pen tool. So once you hit P on your keyboard, it will take you to the pen tool. Or come over to the toolbar and click on the pen tool here. So hit Z on your keyboard and zoom close so that you work and remove the background perfectly okay. So when you hit P on your keyboard, click at this side and drag at any editor and drag to cover this area. Double click on this option here, double click on this node here to remove this other side that is here. Then you click on it to delete it off. So go and drag. So that is how you go around the image, just by clicking and dragging using the pen tool. So stick around as I'll quickly go around the image. So as soon as you're done selecting the entire image, come over to this bar over here and click selection. So once you click selection, the entire image will be selected. Then come over to the layers and mask it, as simple as that. So just come over to the layer here and click on masked. So once you click on masked layer, automatically the background has been removed. So combine Ctrl D on your keyboard to deselect. So as simple as that. That's how you can easily remove background. Then you go ahead and close it up. So this background has been removed. As simple as it, and it has done a pretty job over here, and it's perfectly okay. So that's how you can easily remove a background in Affinity Photos using your pen tool. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share. Thank you for watching.